History of Personal Revival Ministry. PRM was formed with some dedicated young people in the year 1978. Its aim is to proclaim the gospel to all. We have visited many nearby villages of Visakhapatnam, Vizianagaram, and Srikakulam to spread the good news of Lord Jesus Christ. In the year 1981, we have conducted gospel and healing meetings through Hyderabad people, and we have one-day youth rally at Sabavaram on 2nd October 1981. In the year 1982, we have conducted city-level meetings by inviting Brother Prakash Yesudayan. During that time, we have also conducted one-day youth rally for 500 young people. In the same year, we have conducted 3 days revival meetings at Vizianagaram with one-day youth rally by inviting Brother E. Eli of Rajahmundry. In the year 1983, we have conducted revival and healing meetings by inviting Jesus Heals team from Australia. One-day youth rally also conducted during that time. In the year 1984, we have conducted large-scale gospel meetings in open grounds by inviting Reverend Dr. R.R.K. Murthy, radio speaker, and one-day women rally on 26 January 1984 by inviting Mrs. Joyce Scott of IBL. In the year 1985, we have conducted wide revival meetings again by inviting Brother Prakash Yesudayan. Throughout these years, PRM is working with church and with all interdenominational organizations for His glory. Thank you.